You see it in the mirror every morning. That tiny skin tag or that one mole you have always hated. And then a perfectly timed advertisement pops up. It promises a painless, cheap, and natural way to make it disappear overnight. It feels like a sign from the universe. But before you click that buy button on those herbal removal patches, you need to understand exactly what you are putting on your body. These patches are being pushed as a miracle cure-all. They claim to handle skin tags, warts, and moles with the same little sticker, but here is the cold, hard truth. Your skin does not work that way. Those three things are fundamentally different. A skin tag is just a bit of overgrown tissue. A wart is a viral infection, and a mole is a concentration of cells that requires serious attention. Trying to treat them all with the same adhesive is like trying to fix a leaky pipe, a broken window, and a short circuit with the same roll of duct tape. It is medically nonsensical. The marketing team behind these patches loves to throw around the phrase clinically proven. They talk about secret studies and herbal breakthroughs, but if you try to find the actual papers or the doctors who signed off on them, you will hit a brick wall every single time. It is a hollow promise. A bit of linguistic magic used to build trust where none has been earned, and the stakes are much higher than just wasting money. The biggest danger here is the removal of a mole at home. A mole is not just a blemish. It is a window into your health. Some moles are precursors to skin cancer. If you use an unverified patch to try and burn it off in your bathroom, you are playing a very dangerous game. You might think you are removing a spot, but you might actually be irritating a malignant growth. Or worse, removing the top layer while the danger continues to grow underneath. Without a dermatologist to check that tissue, you are flying blind. And let us talk about the physical risks of the patches themselves. Because they are not regulated by any major health authority, the ingredients are a mystery. Users have reported painful chemical burns, deep scarring, and nasty infections that required medical intervention anyway. The very thing you were trying to avoid becomes your reality. Then you have the logistical nightmare. The internet is full of stories from people who ordered these patches and waited weeks, only to receive nothing, or to receive a product that has the adhesive strength of a wet paper towel. It won't stay on your skin long enough to do anything, and when you try to get your money back, the customer service is a total ghost town. It is a classic setup. Flashy ads, big promises, and zero accountability. Your skin is far too precious to be used as a testing ground for these kinds of questionable products. Skip the shortcut, avoid the mystery adhesives, and go see a real doctor who can give you a safe, permanent solution. It might cost a bit more, but you cannot put a price on knowing that you are healthy and that your skin is actually being cared for properly. The risk of a permanent scar or a misdiagnosis is just too high to ignore. Stay smart and stay safe. There are no shortcuts when it comes to your long-term health. And these stickers are definitely not the answer you were looking for.